Pemirsa ngemit kewentenan ekosistem terumbu karang ring Bali dahat kabuatang antuk kalimbakang sejeroning ngemit kahanan imbang segarane. Konservasi ring segara sane nglantur, pinaka pangupaya sane kemargiang antuk nyokong pariwisata tur pinaka cihna ngelestariang segara.
Bali, tios pinaka destinasi wisata dunia, taler medue ekosistem laut sane ageng, utamanya nih kewentanan terumbu karang ring segarane, terumbu karang ring Bali, neten wantah nyokong kauripan biota laut, nanging taler penaut majang wisatawan, utamanya nih para penyelam, sakewanten, ekosistem terumbu karang ring Bali rawe mangkin nampenin pekobot, anutin data saking Dinas Kelautan dan Perikanan Bali, langkungan 50% terumbu karang ring pesisi Bali, kauningin nusak, sangkaning perilaksana imanuse, sekadi mencar ngangen bom miwa racun, sau wenten wesanan saking penglimbakang sase, saningawinang pemutihan terumbu karang, pemanasan global, sedimentasi, terpewangunan infrastruktur. Program konservasi rumasuk transparansi terumbu karang, edukasi lingkungan miwa kampanye kesadaran, Indiknas polusi laut sanyayubin mekudang-kudang hayati patut kemargiang. Leon Boy, Living Sis Maosang, ngelintangin konservasi laut sani uleng ring pelestarian terumbu karang, transparansi karang, miwa edukasi lingkungan sideng watuang kanan becik tur ngelantur, majeng ekosistem tengahin segara ring Bali.
Kondisi karang di Bali lumayan oke sih, karena di sini kita airnya dingin, nggak bleaching banyak sebenarnya. Tapi bukan semua tempat juga. Ada dampaknya dari pariwisata, ada dampaknya dari nelayan juga. Tergantung beda-beda desa juga.
We have all our in-house channels as well as a website. So everything what we talked about today, if we look at the guest journey or how they want to know the information, we have our website. They all check the website. So all the information will be available on the website. Second, during the time of check-in, everybody is given a newsletter to talk about what we do. Third, the in-house TV channel. The video you saw, we have another tailor-made video which will also go on the in-house TV channel. Plus poster, different communication, and most of all, talking to the guests. We are human beings. We like to be talked to. So it's about, you met the team from our at your service. It's about communicating to all the guests. The more we create awareness, the more they know, the better they will be engaged.
Rais Wantara, Bali TV.